Hello everyone, Peppermint here. This video is my official invitation for you to participate in our May collaboration on organization in the craft room. We call this annual collaboration hashtag Get Your Craft in Order 2022. Our next collaboration will be next month, May 12th, and it will be organization in the craft room on paint and paint stuff. That would be all kinds of paint, watercolor, acrylic, oil, chalk, latex, any kind of paint. Where do you store your canvases or your paper or whatever it is that you paint on? Stencils, brushes, and when you go looking through your stuff, then you might be surprised at the amount of things that do pertain to painting. Like here I got wood glue and wood filler and bungee cords. So if you would like to participate, then please send me an email letting me know that you're going to participate for May, or whenever it is that you would like to participate. You can participate every month if you want to, and I will respond and get back with you, and you will get an instructional email from me. Schedule is going to be coming up at the end of this video, but I'm hoping that if you like to organize, then give me a big old thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, bye-bye.